Have your service's equipment maintenance personnel inspect iNTRAXX regularly. Follow the checklist that's available in the iNTRAXX User's Manual, and operate iNTRAXX through all its functions to make sure each of them work properly. iNTRAXX track, components, and accessories do not require lubrication. To disinfect iNTRAXX, wipe all surfaces with disinfectant. Follow the disinfectant manufacturer's instructions for application method and contact time. Hand clean all surfaces of iNTRAXX components with warm water and a mild detergent. Use a stiff bristled brush if necessary to remove stains. Rinse with warm, clear water. Dry iNTRAXX components with a towel or allow to air dry. If safe pack pouches develop a film or white residue on clear window flaps, wipe both sides using a dry microfiber cleaning cloth. Thank you for viewing this training program on the Furno iNTRAXX system. For more information, visit furnoems.com.